Okay, so I'm picking up where I left off. I already did the first 6 slides, saved it. So now I'm going to sketch the boss. So I've got this picture here. It's 7 millimeters high. It's a 128 millimeter wide circle. I'm going to click on Extruded Boss. Use the icon to make it flash if you'd like. Oh, look at that. It says select the top face of the part. I have to select it. Click it. It is selected. And then click the top. So that's the drop down. I want the top. Now the top is facing me. And then click on the circle on the sketch bar. So I'm drawing another circle. Move the pointer over the origin. Make sure it turns orange. You're going to draw another circle. Click to place the center of the circle. Move the pointer to create it. I haven't let go of my mouse yet. I'm left clicking. And then I'm going to let go. The property manager should open. And I'm going to press the green check mark. Dimensioning the boss. So I'm going to click on Smart Dimensions. I'm going to select the circle I just drew. Remember, it turns orange when I put my mouse over the edge. It is now selected. The numbers appear. And I would like to modify this to be 75 millimeters. So 75. Press the green check mark. Done. Now I'm going to offset the entities. So click Next. Now I'm going to click Offset the entities, which is like a double exit sketch icon almost. Right here. Notice I haven't closed anything over on the left-hand side. Okay, so now the property manager opens up. And it says Offset Entities. I'm in the property manager. Under parameters right here. Set offset distance. So this is the offset distance right there. I'm going to change it to 5. Press Enter. And I want to select reverse, which is not already in there. So now it's going to go down into the circle. Select the sketched circle. This guy. Select it. Ooh, a yellow one comes inside. And then click the check mark. Okay, exit the sketch. Notice I haven't clicked anything over here. Boss Extrude is still highlighted. Click Try Metric. So that is where? I don't know. Let's click this icon. Oh, up at the top. Try Metric. So it tilted the diagram for me. In the property manager over here, I haven't changed anything. Under direction 1, set the depth right here to 12. I'm only clicking if it tells me to click. And then it does say select the green check mark, which I did. Okay, so I'm going to go to sketching a hole. Now I'm going to cut out a hole. So I've got a circle, and then I've got an extruded circle, which we selected the reverse cutout. And so now I'm going to extrude cut. So I clicked extrude cut. Select the top face of Boss Extrude 1, which is the first one we did. Click circle. Move the pointer over the origin. Click to place the center of the circle. Move the pointer to create the circle. Click Finish. So now that's in the very center. So I click to finish, and I press the green check mark. That's all I've done. So now I want to dimension the hole. So I'm going to click on Smart Dimensions. Select the circle in the center here. So it's orange. Selected it. Move the pointer to click to place the dimension. So I did. The modify box popped up. I'm going to type in 25. And then I'm going to press the green check in the modify box. This is your graphics area here. Creating a hole. Click Exit the sketch. Okay. Click Try Metric again. In the property manager under direction 1, still there, select through all. So instead of it saying blind, it's going to drop down. I'm going to click through all. For end condition, don't see end condition. In the property manager under direction 1, select through all. Oh, I see. End condition. If I just hold my mouse over there without clicking anything, it says end condition through all. And then I press the green check mark. You can use the hole wizard to add customized holes to the model.